Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well, and if you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. So today I am going to show you how to make chofi, also known as turkey tail. And chofi is a popular street food in Ghana. It can be paired with fried yam, kenkey, gari, anything of your choice. And guys, it is very simple to make and it's absolutely delicious. So stay with me whilst we get started on this recipe. For this recipe, I'm going to use the following ingredients. I have my turkey tail in this bowl and I purchased it from my local Ghanaian supermarket. Turkey tail is a tail part of the turkey. It is very fatty. It hasn't been cleaned yet. I'll remove all the fat before I cook. I have ginger, garlic, Scotch bonnet, shallot. I have crushed chilies, mixed herbs, coriander, cumin, smoked paprika. I also have tomato puree. I'll be making a sauce which I'll be coating the turkey tail in. I have Maggi cube, black pepper, white pepper, Badia Complete seasoning, adobo seasoning, and vegetable oil. As always, all ingredients, including measurements, will be in the description box below. I'm now going to begin the cleaning process by firstly removing all the fatty bits from the turkey tail. As I did mention, this meat comes from the tail of the turkey, so it is very fatty. So please ensure that you have removed all the fat from it. And once I remove all the fat, you will see the meat I have compared to the amount of fat which would have come from this meat. The ratio is very significant. So guys, can you see the amount of fat I have removed from the turkey tail? I did mention that this meat has a lot of fat and I've completely removed it. This is what I have. This is the meat I have compared to the fat which is on my chopping board is a lot. I'm just going to discard this in the bin, and next what I'm going to do is wash the turkey tail using lemon and water. Next, I will place the clean turkey tail in a pot ready for cooking. Now to cook the turkey tail, I'm going to blend together shallot, garlic, Scotch bonnet and ginger. I will add a little bit of water and I'll blend this so smooth. I'm now going to add the blended mixture to my turkey tail, and next I'm going to add my seasonings. Please feel free to season your turkey tail using your preferred seasonings of choice. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just giving this a good mix. Next, I will cover and allow the turkey tail to cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. 15 minutes later, the turkey tail is ready and it smells really good. I'm just giving a good stir so you can see that there's no fatty bits on it, and I'm very happy at this point. I did allow the turkey tail to cool down for about 10 minutes, and now I'm removing the cooked meat from the stock. However, I'm not going to discard the stock because I will be making a sauce which I'll be glazing the turkey tail in, and if it remains in stock, I will allow it to cool down even more, keep it in the freezer for when I'm making stew or soup or even jollof rice. It is full of flavor, so there's no way I am discarding it. I'm now going to place the cooked turkey tail in a bowl, and next I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil on top, and I'll toss this together. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to brown the turkey tail in my air fryer. Usually once the turkey tail is cooked and is removed from the stock, it is deep fried until golden brown. However, I choose not to deep fry mine, but if you wish to, please go ahead and deep fry yours. I placed the cooked turkey tail in my air fryer and allowed it to brown for 30 to 40 minutes. While the turkey tail is browning, I'm going to make the sauce which I will be glazing the turkey tail in. So in a pot, I have added a little bit of oil, and now I'm going to add the tomato puree and simmer for 2 minutes on low to medium heat. I'm now going to add some crushed chilies, and I will mix well and simmer for 1 minute. Feel free to add as much or as little as you want. However, if you don't like spicy food, please feel free to omit the chilies from this recipe. Next, I'm going to add some of the turkey tail stock, the delicious stock, to my tomato puree, and I'm going to add enough just to make it into a nice light liquid, enough to glaze my turkey tail. And also for the sauce, it really depends on the amount of turkey tail that you have. So the more turkey tail that you have, you may need to add more of the stock to your sauce, just enough to glaze it really nicely. I allow the sauce to simmer for 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium heat. My sauce is ready. I decided to add 1 teaspoon of suya powder because I am extra. Please don't worry if you don't have suya powder. This is entirely optional. Your sauce will still taste delicious because you have all the flavors from the turkey tail stock. Now that the sauce is ready, time to check on the turkey tail to see if it has browned nicely. And as you can see, the turkey tail has browned beautifully. My goodness, this looks like it was deep fried. Look at this. It looks like it was deep fried, but it wasn't. Oh my gosh. Whilst you're eating this, you are not going to feel guilty because it was not deep fried. I'm just adding my delicious sauce, and next I'm going to mix everything together to ensure that the turkey tail is well coated in this sauce. And that's it, guys. The Chofi is ready. Our turkey tail is ready and it looks amazing. I am certainly going to enjoy this with some kenkey because my mouth is literally watering. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and please click that notification bell which will notify you whenever I post delicious recipes like this. Time to enjoy my Chofi with some kenkey, and I'll see you next time. Bye.